Integrating Uniswap V2 into your project can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. First, you need to understand what Uniswap V2 is, which is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables the swapping of tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. To get started, you will need to install the necessary dependencies, including Web3, JS and Ethers, JS, which are JavaScript libraries that allow you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. You will also need to have a basic understanding of smart contracts and the Ethereum blockchain. Next, you will need to import the Uniswap V2 protocol contracts, which can be found on the Uniswap V2 GitHub repository. You will need to import the factory contract, the router contract, and the pair contract. Once you have imported the necessary contracts, you can start by creating a new instance of the router contract, which will be used to execute trades on the Uniswap V2 protocol. You will need to pass in the address of the factory contract and the address of the WETH contract, which is used to handle Ether transactions. After creating a new instance of the router contract, you can use it to get the address of a liquidity pool for a specific token pair. You can do this by calling the getPair function on the factory contract and passing in the addresses of the two tokens. Once you have the address of the liquidity pool, you can use the router contract to execute a trade. You can do this by calling the swapExactTokens for tokens function on the router contract and passing in the amount of tokens you want to swap, the path of the swap, and the address of the recipient. It is also important to note that you will need to handle errors and exceptions properly, as the Uniswap V2 protocol can be complex and unpredictable. You should also make sure to test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected. Best practices for integrating Uniswap V2 include using a robust and reliable library, such as the Uniswap V2 SDK, and following the official Uniswap V2 documentation. You should also make sure to keep your dependencies up to date and to monitor your integration for any issues or errors. In conclusion, integrating Uniswap V2 into your project can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps and use the right tools. By understanding the key concepts and following best practices, you can create a robust and reliable integration that will allow you to take advantage of the Uniswap V2 protocol.